Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to visualize data using ChatGPT. Alright, so with the introduction of plugins, now it is possible to visualize data directly inside ChatGPT. And in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to do this. So as you can see here, I have visualized Facebook's annual revenue from 2010 to 2022, and this is the line chart we have received. And all we had to do is use this plugin called the Daigr.am ChatGPT plugin. So it's a really useful plugin. So let's see how you can also visualize your data inside ChatGPT. So before I will show you an actual example, just a little bit more about this plugin called Daigr.am or the Daigr.am ChatGPT plugin. I don't know what is the right pronunciation, but I have a full article tutorial on this plugin as well, so you can check it out if you are interested in more details. And in this I talk about some of the best use cases and some of the best prompts you can use this plugin with. So as you can see, you can not only create line charts with it, but other charts as well. So if you want to learn more about this plugin, make sure to check out the article in the description below. And you can also get access to a complete database of all currently available ChatGPT plugins that can be installed from the ChatGPT plugin store. You can search this plugin database by category, plugin name, description, and get quick access to ChatGPT plugin video tutorials, the best use cases and prompts for all available ChatGPT plugins. The database can be downloaded for free, but you can also support the maintenance and the frequent updates of the database with a small donation. Any support is appreciated. You can get access to this database by using the link in the description below. But now let's see how to use this plugin. So all you have to do is create new chat here. And of course, right now, at the time of recording this video, you have to be a Plus subscriber to be able to use plugins. And you also have to enable plugins in your ChatGPT account. So make sure to do these steps before doing the following. If you do not know how to enable plugins in your account, I have other tutorials on my channel that you can check out. But once you have clicked on new chat, select GPT-4 from the model selector, then select plugins from this drop-down list. And here we can see that I have already installed the Daigr.am ChatGPT plugin. If you haven't installed the plugin, you have to scroll down and select plugin store here and install the plugin. So you're going to be able to visualize any kind of data you have in your ChatGPT conversations. Then last but not least, you also have to enable the plugin to be able to interact with the plugin. So you can enable a plugin by simply clicking the checkbox next to the name of the plugin. Right now, let's see an example on how to visualize data. For this example, I'm going to use this article to get the data to create the charts. But of course, you can use other plugins to scrape data from websites or to use the features of the plugin to get stock market, crypto market data or any kind of other data, because there is basically plugins for everything right now. But now, just for a quick example, I'm just gonna quickly copy paste this data on the top 10 centralized crypto exchanges and their market share. So all you have to do is go back to ChatGPT, paste this data. So as you can see, it's not a beautiful table as in the article, but ChatGPT is clever enough to understand this. Of course, as I show you in the article I have mentioned, you can use very complex prompts. But in this example, I'm going to use the most simple prompts you can use. So the only thing I add in the prompt is to visualize this data for me. And hopefully the plugin is clever enough to know to create a pie chart from this market share data, because this is the best way to analyze market share. So hopefully it's not going to create a line chart or bar chart. So let's see what it will come up with. Also click on send message. So as you can see, you don't even have to use any kind of function on fancy language. ChatGPT is clever enough to know that it has to activate the Daigr.am ChatGPT plugin to be able to create this chart for us. And let's see what it will come up with. So as you can see, it was clever enough to know that it has to use a pie chart. And let's see the end result, what we get. So as you can see, we get a beautiful pie chart on the market share of the centralized crypto exchanges. So we have Binance here with the biggest market shares. We also have Coinbase, Kraken and Crypto.com. So you can get a better overview of the market share of the centralized crypto exchanges. As you can see, you can also view an interactive version of this chart by clicking here. Or you can also save the image by right-clicking on the chart and click on Save Image As and use this chart in your blog posts, in social media or anywhere else you want. But you can also click on here and you can see that this is a more interactive pie chart we have here. So if you have a more complex chart, you can interact with the chart here in this app. So all in all, this is how to visualize data inside ChatGPT using this ChatGPT plugin by creating charts, line chart, bar charts, pie charts, or creating graphs or any kind of visual demonstration you can use this plugin for. If you want to learn more about this ChatGPT plugin, I have other tutorials on my channel, and I have a ton of tutorials on ChatGPT and ChatGPT plugins, and there are more coming up, so make sure to subscribe to my channel. And also, if you want to get access to the complete ChatGPT plugin database that includes categories, searchable descriptions, and more, you can also find the link to that in the video description below.